Well, similar high-tech products, but different range that are totally different, targeting different audience persona altogether. In my opinion, it's actually okay. I've handled a lot of e-commerce website that actually sells totally different things. Like for example, like electrical shop. They can be selling, like one side is selling the washing machine, the other side is selling, like the whatever LED TV, for example. And these are totally different people because, you're looking for washing machine, you're not looking for TV. They're totally different people. But as long as they're under the same category per se, you should actually use the same pixel. And in fact, you do not need to worry too much about how pixel understand your product because, like I mentioned just now, pixel picks up or whatever data like that you have on the website, on the ad itself, actually feeds the information to the AI, the Meta Ads AI, to help match the audience that are really actively looking for your product, not just about the category of the pixel itself. So there is no, in my opinion, there is no such thing of as like a pixel for different individual products, because it's not really important, because it's about the destination of the, let's say this ad is actually trying to bring people or to sell your washing machine. Meta will match people who are interested in washing machine. They would definitely understand that your website also sell TV, radio, and blah, blah, blah. But then again, so this ad itself is really about washing machine. They will match to the right people. So you really don't need to worry so much. And in my opinion, we don't want to create a lot of complication when it comes to the metapixel web kind of thing. Just imagine if you have a website that has like 5 or 10 pixels in it, and each of them has to connect with its own conversion API. It's totally messy. So you don't want to get towards that. So try to maintain the whole thing in a very simplistic way so that you are able to control and manage it in a more, like controlled manner. And of course, trust the algorithm, trust the AI, and and work on the process, because it's really about running ads, and work on the process, on fine-tuning it. Sometimes we do tend to have a lot of concern and worry about whatever that might come our way, but frankly, a lot of them are just whatever that we are actually playing with our mind. It's just some imagination that this might happen, this might not. I mean, what if they don't? It's just playing in our head, right? So just launch the ad. My recommendation is launch the ad and let's observe. My best bet is everything is going to be okay. But then again, you can always launch the ad and let's diagnose the campaign performance. And if there's anything we need to address in terms of the pixel implementation and whatnot, launch the ad. You can actually scan this QR code to book a Meta Ads campaign review by me, where we will dive into the metrics, the numbers, to find out what are the opportunities that you have in terms of optimization, and even to scale. If you're actually looking at scale, when are the best time to scale, how to scale, and all these are the questions that we talk about during this Meta Ads review. So I'm going to analyze, I'm going to walk you through how do I analyze so that you can actually do it on your own. And I'm going to actually build a plan on how you can take your campaign to the next level. So if that's something that you're looking for, scan this QR code, and I look forward to work with you.